Simplifying radical expression by rationalizing the denominator.
When the denominator is monomial, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by whatever makes the denominator an expression that can be simplified so that it no longer contains a radical. So, here's the given. We will multiply it by so, times natin to dito. So, at saka ito. So, magiging sagot tapos, isi-simplify natin siya. So, eto na siya. Ito na yung final answer.
This is the example of number 2 by binomial denominator. Multiplied by a value that will create the smallest perfect square under the radical. This will prevent the need for additional simplification. In this case, that the value is square root of 2. Choosing to multiply by square root of 2 and not square root of 8 will create the smallest perfect square under the radical denominator. 5 is multiplied by square root of 2 is 5 square root of 2. Square root of 8 divided by multiplied by square root of 2 is 16. Kailangan natin siyang i-simplify para malaman natin yung sagot. So, kakapil natin 5 square root of 2, tas ang square root ng 16 is 4. Kaya ito na yung magiging sagot, yung 5 square root of 2 over 4.
So let's do this. 2 bracket square root of 5 conjugate square root of 3 parentheses. So just like we did multiplying the binomial scatter first term and the second term. Like this, and this, and this, and this. So simplify the denominator here to the same. So here's the answer. The answer 15 minus square root of 15 minus square root of 9. 5 times 5 is 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 times 3 is 15 and 3 times 5 is 15 and 3 times 3 is 9 and minus or cancel out 15 15 and in the upper up in the upper up is copy this term to bracket square root of 5 conjugate square root of 3. Copy this term and here's the term. So simple as that. Simplify the answer here. Copy this term again is 2 square root of 5 plus square root of 3 over 25 divided by 5 is 5 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. And simplify the answer again. 2 copy this term again. Asterisk. Square root of 5 plus square root of 3 parenthesis over 5 minus 3 is 2. So, cancel out this 2, cancel out, and cancel out. So, here's the answer. Asterisk, square root of 5 plus square root of 3. Numerator, same as here, same is same. So, square root of 5 plus square root of 3, numerical identical that now express the irrational denominator. Thank you.
My report is working with the reciprocal. Write the reciprocal of 4 negative square root of 3. Here's our starting expression. 1 over 4 negative square root of 3. The reciprocal is created by inverting the numerator and denominator of the starting expression. So we get this one. Then, since now we have radical in the denominator, we must rationalize the denominator. Multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 4 plus square root of 3. Here's the answer, 4 plus square root of 3, and you will have to FOIL this, right? Multiply the denominator in this problem by using the distribute method or FOIL. 16 plus 4 square root of 3 minus 4 square root of 3 minus square root of 9. You will cancel this out, and you will 16 minus 3. I got 3 from square root of negative 9. Then so 4 plus square root of 3 over 16 minus 3. And the final answer is 4 plus 3 plus square root of 3 over 13.